got your frying pans?
Okay,
Kara, did you get babies?
David.
Kara, look at Grandma. Do you have a frying pan?
That dog works.
Yeah, look.
Where's your stuff to cook with, your stirring thing? Ask Mama. Here's your other, here's your other frying pan. Where's her stirring thing?
Huh?
Or spatula? Here it is. Can you stir your food? Stir it up. Are you going to make pancakes, Kira? Stir them up. Yummy. Are you cooking? You making pancakes? Yummy. Look at your nice babies. You have your babies in there? Yeah, they can stay in there and then you can take them. Whoa, whoa. You can take them shopping with you. Look at it. Stir, stir, stir. What are you making?